Hello students. In previous video we learned about hot and cold measuring temperature and different types of thermometer. But in this video we are going to learn about transfer of heat and kinds of clothes we wear in summer or winter. So first we will take transfer of heat. The heat flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. Okay, when the temperature is same, heat will not be transferred. Okay, so students, heat is transferred by the process of conduction, convection and radiation. These three processes are here. So first start with the process of conduction. The process of transfer of heat from a hot object to a cold object is called conduction. Conduction occurs mostly in solid object. The solid substances like metals become hot due to the process of conduction. Okay? The substances through which conduction of heat take place easily are called good conductors like copper, silver, aluminium. These all are good conductors of heat. And those objects that do not allow the flow of heat from them are called insulator like wood, plastic, etc. Now we will take another method, that is convection. Convection is the transfer of heat in liquid and gases. On heating the vessel containing water, water gets heated in the vessel. This mode of heat transfer in water is known as convection. Now we will take another topic, that is land breeze and sea breeze. During the day, the temperature of the land rises more rapidly as compared to the sea water. Hence, the air above the land becomes hot and rises up. After that, the cooler air from the sea start blowing toward the land to take its place. Same, the air from the sea is called sea breeze. And at night, it is exactly the reverse. The water cools down more slowly than the land, so the cool air from the land moves toward the sea. This is called land breeze. The people living in the coastal areas experience an interesting phenomenon. Okay, student. Now we will take our another topic, that is radiation. Okay, radiation is a process of transfer of heat in the form of waves. The sun's heat reaches the earth's surface through radiation. Every hot object radiates some heat into the environment and it requires no medium. So students, you might be thinking, why do we wear light colored clothes in summer? Because light colored clothes reflect the heat back into the environment and keep us cool during the summertime. And why we wear dark colored clothes in winter? Because they absorb the heat from the environment and keep us warm. Okay? That is the reason we feel more comfortable in light color clothes in summer and dark color clothes in winter. Do you know woolen clothes keep us warm during winter? It is so because wool is a poor conductor of heat and it has air trapped in between the fibers. As a result, the air present between the woolen cloths and our body becomes hot and this makes us feel warm. Okay student, I hope you understood well.